Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be working on the Volkswagen. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, as you may see, been working on the Forester, so that'll be next episode, but today we're going to be working on the MK5 Golf. We're going to be working under the bonnet. So let's get out there, you might be able to see it back there, and show you what we're going to do. Alright, so we've got a nice long package here, so let's get out to the Golf. Alright boys, can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. Alright guys, here's the hint. It's to replace this. Right, we're going to be replacing the bonnet strut. So, let's unwrap it, and it's pretty easy. We'll check out a couple of other things while we're under the bonnet as well. Right, so I've actually had this sitting here for 3 weeks or so, maybe a month. I was considering getting some back ones as well, because the rear ones are starting to go. But we'll do them at a later date. So it's only the one on the front. It's really hard to unwrap. There we go. So this one here is actually not a Golf one, because when we bought the car it was starting to go. So I think it might be from Renault or a Peugeot, something my dad had sitting around. So yeah, it's from the gasstrutguys.com.au. Tube up and close. Tube up and close. So like that. Oh. Let's pop this one off. Make sure you've got a little safety on the other side, otherwise it's going to come down and hit you on the head. Alright, just need a straight blade. Goes under. There we go. Look at that. That's dead. Just pop it off the other end. All it is are these clips. Just get underneath and pop it out. And do the same thing to put them back on. Might need a smaller one actually. Right, let's try that again. Do the bottom first. Just checking, yeah, cool. Just push the clip back on. Leave it sitting straight through. Slide out a bit. It doesn't want to come out. Alright. To rotate it. There you go. Probably don't need to even pull it out. Voila. Easy. Set the old safety out. There we go. Fixed. Alright boys, if you didn't know, 1.4 TSI, I added a catch can. I believe it's a pretty common thing to do. So this was a couple of months ago, I think. So let's check it. See how it's travelling. Oh, there's a little bit of oil there. Not much. That's good. So we also have a service coming up on this for the next couple of weeks. So we'll do filter and oil it again, and I'll try to get a belt and tensioners for it too. It still is squeaky, so maybe it is a tensioner. I don't think the tensioner has been changed. The belt got changed but not the tensioner, so we'll look for a whole kit. That is completely done. Alrighty guys, that is it for this episode. Next episode we'll be back on the Forester, on the mechanical side of it. So I have ripped the turbo out. GT35, that's the top mount one. We have the low mount one, which is down here. In place of it, I'm using a TDO4, which is the same sized housing, so everything matches up. So we're changing wastegates around, so be sure to tune in for that if you're interested in compound turbo Forester. I think it might be the only one in the world, so tune in for that, and comment down below if you want to see me do some carbon fibre bits for the MK5 Golf, because I'm getting into that as well. That's why the Skyline is out here, so I can test fit some of the carbon bits that I've made for that. So thanks for tuning in guys. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to leave a like, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with these cars and these little projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.